gave you my heart.
And thinking. How are you today?
I am fine.
Excellent. My name is Emily. You can say Emily or you can say Millie.
Emily. My
Yes.
name is Aarohi.
Again?
My name is Aarohi.
Ah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, teacher.
And how old are you, Aarohi?
I am 5 years old.
You are 5 years old? Nice. Okay. A butterfly. This is so pretty. I like butterflies.
Me too.
Okay. Today we're traveling with Sammy. You are doing trip number 3 with Sammy.
I think Sammy got the red color to this.
Ah, okay. So first you went to Moscow, Egypt. Let's see where this one.
I am think yes, this one.
Yeah, I think that one's Egypt. Let's see today.
It's on your hand.
My glove, my ball. See, this is how I know where you went to. You went to Russia or Moscow, and then you went.
I'm in India.
You are. Let's see, where is India? Do you see India in this map?
What? India live?
Me? I live here.
What?
This is where I live.
Oh, okay. If then
It's not
my name is this India.
Oh, you live in Australia? So there's a big storm, Aarohi, and every time Sammy lands, what happens?
Again pop. That next one pop and next one pop and again pop. Yes, but this one fix it again. We are tired. Okay.
So in order to get a sticker or a patch for our balloon, we have to help the people, and maybe the people will help us. So let's go back. I'm sorry. Are you ready to help Sammy help people?
Okay.
I hear a baby. Is there a baby in your house?
Yes.
Is this a baby boy or a baby girl?
Girl.
Okay, the baby girl. Can the baby girl walk?
No.
Can the baby girl eat bananas?
Yes. The banana is milk and eat and give the water.
Oh, nice. So that means the baby is small.
And eat boil the apple and eat.
Really? How about you? Do you like the apple?
Yeah.
You do? So number 1.
They are getting married.
And number 2?
Number 2. There is stuff of noisy. It is noisy.
Yes, there is a lot of noise. Can you think of something that is noisy in your city?
Yes, they are noisy.
For example, what? The car, the bird.
Look, there has the cake and the many people dancing. They are noisy.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Okay. Quiet and whisper. It is?
They talking quietly. They quiet. It is not loud in the library. It is quiet.
Yes. So number 1, they are whispering. And number 2, they are. How about in your city? In your city, do you have a library in your city?
House don't have a library.
No, in your city. How about your city? Okay, well, in my city, in Florida, we have We have a library. I like the library. Do you like the library?
Of course, I like the library, but I don't have a library anywhere.
You don't?
No, and I have a 2-bedroom.
You have 2 bedrooms? I want a house with 2 bedrooms. I want a smaller house. My house has 4.
What?
But I want a small one. I want 2 bedrooms.
I have two toilet bathroom.
Me, I have 3. I only want 1.
I have only 2 in downstairs and upstairs.
Oh, so downstairs and upstairs. Okay. My house, no upstairs. My house is like this. Like my hats.
My hat is red. Your hat is blue. Yes, her hat is blue.
And her hat is
Green.
and his hat is
His hat is yellow.
yellow.
This boy is painting. This boy.
Right. Okay. And she says, my hat is blue. Your hat is red. Her hat is green and his hat is yellow. My shirt is, my shirt looks purple, I think.
My shirt is red and my pant is pink.
Your pants are pink. My pants are gray. I have gray pants.
Next one.
Wow, you're like a super reader. My, your, her, and his.
My hat is green.
Your.
Oh, okay. I don't have any hat. I have only marks, pink, and my dress.
I don't have a hat either. I don't have. But let's read what she is saying, because the girl is saying. She says, my hat is green. Your hat is yellow. Her hat is red, and his hat is blue.
Yes.
Now, how about the boy? What does the boy say, Aarohi?
My hat is green. Your hat is yellow. Her hat is red. His hat is blue.
Okay. Baby, your house has yellow hair?
No, not yellow hair. Yellow dress.
Oh, she has a yellow dress.
Black hair.
Ah. Okay. Very pretty. Okay, so this one is alone. Show me. Who is noisy?
Who is noisy?
Let's look at this one. Look, noisy. He's saying, hello, pom, 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 pom.
Oh, he's not noisy.
No, he is.
Yes. And
He is what?
get married? Yes.
Yes, they are getting married. And who? Who is whispering?
What is that?
Who is whispering or talking softly?
Oh,
If I say,
this one is a mother.
excellent, very good. How about the baby? Is the baby noisy or is the baby quiet?
Quiet.
How about you? Are you noisy or are you quiet?
I am quiet.
Really? Okay. How about in your city? Something that is noisy.
Many normal humans is noisy.
How about a car?
And I don't like noisy.
I don't like noisy either. I like things that are quiet. I have a dog in my house and I have a bird in my house, and my bird is very noisy.
Yellow color.
My bird is the color white. And she says, hi, baby.
Your dog look like?
She is white.
Your dog is white?
Yes. Do you want to see a picture?
Yeah.
Here's a picture of my bird.
And the dog? What?
Mm-hmm. She is white. And we like to go for walks. And this is my son.
Okay.
So she is white. Her name is Emma.
Your bird's name?
Baby. I don't know if my bird is a boy or a girl.
I'm thinking the girl.
You think? Okay. I don't know if we have special holidays in Florida.
I don't have special holidays. I have some morning online class to my teacher.
So look, we have things that are very noisy and things that are very quiet. What things are noisy?
Party.
A party? Okay, what else is noisy?
So I buried this one. And the airplane this one. And the noisy things are this.
Okay.
And sleeping.
Yes.
And party.
Do you like parties?
No. I like parties. And
You do?
Look, I'm going with the papa go to a park. So nice. And eating so nice food.
Wow. What is it?
Thank you, dear. Take this. Do you like it? What do you eat on it? Is it?
Yeah, what is it? You don't know what it is? Let's see what it is.
Pizza.
It is pizza. This one has tomatoes and cheese.
Yeah,
Yummy. So you like or no, I don't like?
I like. I am buy pizza. It's
Me too. Okay, then tomorrow we buy pizza. Okay. My hair is blonde. Your hair is blonde. His hair is blonde. Is his hair yellow?
yes.
No, this one.
Yes, this one. Oh my god.
That one is yellow.
Hair so long.
Yes. Okay, now let's look at this picture. Who has red hair?
Red hair. Who has red hair? They don't have a red hair.
This is like the red color hair.
Oh, here. I
Yes.
can see it.
Aarohi, today the baby sister is happy?
I think so.
Is the baby happy?
Yeah.
I hear. She's so happy. Yeah, what do you see in the picture?
What is in the picture?
I see water.
Water, house, and boat, and
A
water.
boat? Okay, let's see what the boat is called.
Building.
This is a postcard.
Pizza finished and face marks finished. And this one also finished.
Okay, so this is a postcard. We have a bridge on it. That means this city does not have any streets.
Yeah.
If you want to go shopping, you have to row your boat gently down the stream. What do you think it's more fun? Is it more fun to be in the car or to be in the boat?
I like the car.
The car? Okay.
Yes, and look my hair.
I like your hair. It's very pretty.
My hair is black and blonde and straight.
Ah, my hair is straight, except my hair right now is a little wet. My hair is in a... Is your hair wet? Why?
Yes.
Because I washed my hair. I washed my hair with the water.
In night?
No, for me it's not nighttime. Look, for me it's daytime.
Sorry?
For me it's not nighttime, Aarohi.
Sorry?
I will show you. For me it's day.
Okay.
For you it's night.
Yes. Mine
And when for you tomorrow it will be day. For me it will be night.
I have a night, not day.
Yes. Which one do you like? Do you like the night or the day?
I like the day and the night.
But which one is better?
Day, night, remaining.
I like the night because I like to sleep. I like the day because I like to eat. Do you like to eat?
Yeah.
No, your favorite thing to eat? Chicken, pizza, rice.
Chicken fry and the rice.
Bread. How about bread?
Bread. Bread.
Yes.
Bread in day.
Oh, I like bread.
Okay.
What colors do you see?
The green and the white and the red.
Okay.
What is in there? I mean India. What's this? Is this one? This one?
Let's find out where this is. It's a clue. We are in Italy. Look, Italy. It looks like a big shoe.
Yeah. Oh
My goodness.
gosh.
What do you think of the dress? You like the dress or no? I don't like it.
I don't like it.
What about the boys' clothes? The
I
shirt
don't
and the...
like anything.
You don't like it? How about the pizza?
Pizza I like.
I like the pizza too. The pizza is delicious. Well, Aarohi, it was so very nice to meet you. I hope you have a wonderful night. Maybe we'll have another lesson soon. Okay? Thank you for doing a lesson with me. Have a good night.
Yes.
Good job today.
Bye bye.